Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is very close to Chinese Lunar New Year's. I wonder what is your New Year wish, resolution? Leave the comment below. I would love to hear that from you. Today's video, we're gonna do something really cool I found from the website called lookfantastic. If you remember that I bought an advent calendar from lookfantastic and it was absolutely amazing. So I spent a little money and bought another one, and this is their Chinese Lunar New Year advent calendar. And let's open this up together, see what's in here. Alright, so like I said earlier, before Christmas I bought advent calendar from lookfantastic. And that advent calendar is absolutely amazing. All the stuff in there is worth a lot of money. It's a good quality. Unlike other advent calendar I bought, it's a piece, right? So when I saw this online, I just look at it. This is so pretty. It's like a jewelry box. So I decided to buy it. And this thing costs, oh please, let me see how much this costs. I ordered about 2 weeks ago. They just arrived today. It's cost $110. But it's a value of $271. Plus, when I bought this, they were doing a gift purchase. So I bought a whole bunch of deluxe samples in here. But we're not gonna focus on this. I want to put this on my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jen. I don't want to take time to do this here. So anyway, so first let me open this up to show what this looks like. Okay. So when they deliver the box, it damages the corner a little bit, but other than that, it still looks very pretty. Very traditional red for the New Year's. And then look at this little door. Let me do it like that. Opened. Oh, look at this. Let me get close to show you guys. So there's a calendar and there's different, boxes in there. You know what, if they really want to do this right, they should have put Chinese zodiac in here, because that's how we look at stuff, right? But at least they give you your 3 wish. You can write it here, so every time you open this, it reminds you a wish. Wow, it's a really deep box. So the first item in here, ta-da! Whoa, this is nice size. It's like ½ ounce. It is by Arnold Laszlo, Hydrotherapy Memory Sleeping Mask. So sleeping mask, everybody pretty familiar by now, is something you put as a last step for your skincare, or just use this as your total skincare and you go to sleep with. So let me show you that. See that? Kind of like a memory foam. It's like a jello. It's pretty cool. I don't really use Arnold Laszlo, so I'm excited to give it this try. And it's really nice size. Okay, let's look at what's next item now. Okay, the next box I open is number 2, and this is a little lipstick. It's a full-size lipstick, so that's pretty good. I think it's called Illumasca. I think that's how you Illumasca. I'm not familiar with the brand. I think probably it's a UK brand. And I believe that lookfantastic is a UK website, but they do ship to the US. So it's really great way to try different products. Oh, this is beautiful. This is, we call this a blue-red lipstick. Look at these colors. Blue-red is the best. It works on all skin tone and skin complexions. Okay. So that's pretty good. Now let's move on to the next item, see what's in there. Okay, the box number 3, ta-da! This is by Philip Kinsley, and it's a hair treatment. It is the Rich Deep Conditioning Treatment for the hair. And this is about 2.53 ounce. Do you guys, like me, always smell before you use the product? I can open this thing. Oh my god, is this child-proof? Doesn't have a lot of strong smell. That's good. I hate sometimes the hair product is so perfumey and just too strong. Oh my god, my clothes just keep on like all over the place. Okay, let's move on to the next box. Okay, number 4. Oh, this is fancy. Guess what brand is this? Shandakai. Okay. So it's a finishing essence and mattified cream, anti-pollution mattified cream. So obviously it's the deluxe sample. I wouldn't call this travel size. It's still very small. But you can see that. So let's move on to box number 5. Aha! Take a look. What is this? Elements. What is this? Pore Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. Oh my god, this is a full size, I think. Because this looks full size to me. It's half ounce. So that's full size. See? I wonder how much is this. I need to go find out about this. You know what? Guys, hold please. I want to see how much is this real quick. Okay, I'm back. Online say this eye cream is retail for, where's the price? I want to show you guys the price. $68. So this box is $110. This is about half the price already, and it's a full size. So I always need a really good eye treatment. So this is like a gel base. You can see that. Doesn't have a very strong smell. Wow, I'm very excited about this. I need to be more firm around my eye and reduce lines around my eyes too. So definitely give this a try. Okay, the next box I want to show you. Oh, 2 products right here. I am excited about this. Okay, so on a box number 6, first you get, I'm pretty sure this is a full size too. It's by Dr. Botanical. I never heard that brand before. It's a limited edition Morocco Rose Superfood Face Oil. Oh, it smells good, but I feel like they add perfume in there. Well, actually, no, they don't. Actually, I like the smell. Oh, I like this. Botanical, okay. That's what this just do. Infused with a vitamin essential oil, botanical extra for brighter, more even skin tone. Yay! Okay, so in this box, they also comes with this one called Sleep Plus Pillow Spray by It Works. I'm always thinking about, you know, a lot of companies make pillow spray, but the thing is you can't spray and go to sleep because it will be wet. So you have to spray. Okay, this is gonna go viral. I just spray my eyes. That's very stupid. Okay, but it smells wonderful, okay? So don't spray this to your eyes. Oh my gosh, this is stupid. Okay, let's finish the last box. See the things I do for you guys? Oh, I'm dying here. Okay, this is a box number 7. There's 2 products in here. So it is by EH. EH is called Emma Hard Eye. Emma Hard Eye. One is SPF 30, and then the other one is what is the product name? A cleansing bond. So it's travel size too. So I think overall I really like the box. I mean, so far this is my second Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. I am not disappointed. I mean, I think the money is well worth it. The product I will use, and the box is so pretty, so it's totally reusable. So I definitely look forward for more Advent Calendar from Look Fantastic. So I really hope that you like this video. I'll talk about Look Fantastic Advent Calendar Chinese Lunar New Year box, and I can't wait to do more review on my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jen, because on that particular account it's all about skincare. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, Skin by Steve Jen, so you can see different the blogging I do on there too. So don't forget to follow all my social media right over here, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.